Hello friends, this is Bilal Haider, and in this video part we are going to talk about two more arrays methods, and we can learn about them and so that our programming gets a little bit better. So let's say we have an array like this. We have some fruits in an array. We have apples, we have bananas, we have dates, and we want to push, or we want to add a new um, a new fruit to this existing array. So how can we do that? There is a method available for arrays which is called push, and what you do basically is you type your array variable name and dot push, and within parentheses you push whatever value you want to push in your array. Okay, and after pushing one element you can call it again and maybe push another element. And I have actually already created this code because I thought I will just focus on explaining it to you rather than typing the code. So now if I console log this, at this point of time you'll see that my this first console log is this one, right? So in first console log you see that initially we had apples, bananas and dates, but after we pushed pineapples and peaches, our array now contains those two elements as well. And there is another method called pop, and basically these two methods come together. So if you want to push something to an array, or if you want to add something to an array, you can use the push method, and if you want to remove something from an array you can use the pop method. So you just call fruits.pop, and the topmost element will be removed from the array. So that's how you can push new elements to an array, and how you can remove an element from the top of the array. Okay, and we saw that if we are working with arrays, we are not just limited to storing constant values, but we can store whatever we want in them basically. So we can store constant numbers, we can store string constants, we can store JSON objects, we can store maybe even functions. So I guess this makes it very powerful programming language, and it can help us a lot in our programming work. So it makes things very easy for us to work with. So I'm sure you are going to use push and pop methods in your programs a lot. So I thought I should share these two methods with you. So this is all for this video part. I will see you next video.